You already know we back with close calls and crashes, let's get it. This is some Final Destination type shit. I wonder how many people will run red lights today. Make that 2 already, plus some instant karma. Wow, what an idiot we have here. There is no way this happened in a completely empty parking lot. Yay, that could have been very bad. Do some people even think? What do I even say to this besides absolute bozo? Definitely wouldn't recommend doing this. Oh man, always the stop signs. Do we not understand how to merge into traffic? This was idiotic. I mean, come on, guys. Ah, yes, I love being hit from the back. Crossing multiple lanes at once, coolio. Dude knows he messed up LMAO. Yep, he thinks the world revolves around him. He was begging to get in a car accident. What a psychopath. He had so much time to look, but decided not to. No explanation for this one. He didn't even check to see if he could change lanes. Oh dear God, not the cube. Third one running a red light on the day, let's keep it going. Well, make that 4 now. Backing out without even looking lovely. You don't understand how often I see this happen. Not normal that we have the dash cam of the idiot. People will do anything to not miss their exits. He definitely regretted doing this. Bro was in a pinball machine. Good thing he has some great brakes. Roundabouts are rocket science for some people. I'm confused, like, why? This is one I've yet to see so far. They had so much time, but didn't use a single second. Not sure who would be in the wrong here, to be honest. I thought you guys needed to see this LMAO. Is that 5 now? What is he even doing? That was a close call. What a pump fake by them. We have another one. 6-piece nugget now. So, who do y'all think is in the wrong? Let me know in the comments. Yep, that was a quick 7. A U-turn to a one-way road, sick. I can't stand people that do this. Please stop. I can't count past 10. What a goober, go to driving school, please. No explanation needed for this because WTF. Is this a phone victim? Honestly, can't really tell what happened here. Yep, cause that a usable lane to drive in. Oh my god, make that 9. Silly goose, you shouldn't do this. It's hard to tell who messed up here. Me, I want candy pleasey. What do I even say to this LMAO? I mean, come on. Pretty basic crash. Some people shouldn't be driving. Let's just count it as 10. Let's get your eyes checked, pal. Phone victim number 2. Can we just look next time, please? Idiot in ice cream truck almost gets creamed. Oh man, that was close. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe,